Linking your bank account to Uber Eats is a straightforward process that allows you to easily pay for your orders. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open the Uber Eats app. Launch the Uber Eats app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu icon in the upper corner of the app. From the menu, select Account or Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Payment Options. In Account Settings, look for the option labeled Payment or Payment Methods. Tap on this option to view your current payment methods and add new ones. Step 4. Add Bank Accounts. Choose the option to add a new payment method. Select Bank Account from the available options. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details, including your account number and routing number. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank account information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, tap Save or Link Account to finalize the process. You should receive a confirmation that your bank account has been successfully linked. Now you can enjoy seamless ordering on Uber Eats with your bank account linked. Happy ordering!